Welcome back to Trination X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm sick with a cold, and that's why we have not been filming, and I have not uploaded anything.
She's had no voice.
I'm here with Sephora play.
You should see her singing, like,
no,
poor
don't.
thing.
Don't watch it.
Poor thing.
No, it's not posted
Just
online, so you can't. I know. I'm like,
I said I could talk for her. I talk plenty, so and you guys know that.
I'm doing this correctly? I don't know.
We almost had, as long as you don't chop off your leg. We were both matching earlier, wearing some bright Christmas dresses for this performance we had, and then I changed into something more comfortable, so now I'm wearing like a snowflake. With matching kind of snowflake earrings. They're kind of like star looking, but
I don't know.
gosh, as she gets this open.
I know, you see how I'm opening
This is one box I don't get anymore, as you guys know.
So I made a mess of it. Anyway, okay, so it looks like that. And then she had her voice kind of gone like last Sunday, and I was like, I can sing. I jinxed
really
myself because then I've
but
been without a voice for like 4 days.
my voice is low anyways.
So, well, I guess you could show that.
It says, and the play award goes to, and this is the competition was fierce, but these are the beauty winners that rose to the top of this year. It says, well, lots of stuff on there. I can read all of it. And then it shows kind of what she's getting award beauty stuff. So,
Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is Wander Beauty's Lip Retreat Oil.
This is roll out the red carpet for this standout oil in a pretty pink shade that nurtures lips and delivers a glossy finish. Rosa Canina fruit oil provides essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. Cool.
I know, I'm like, should I put this in a giveaway from getting my germs all over it? I don't know.
We'll have to sterilize it first.
And then
can I do the shout out? And Sylvia Jackson, if you're watching, thank you so much for the Christmas card. I think that was our first Christmas card from a subscriber or viewer, so thank you. Thank you.
I think this is the bonus thing is Amika 3D Volume and Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner.
So small?
Yeah.
First thought, so small.
Make somebody else.
It does say give hair a boost for this dynamic duo that plumps strands from root to tip and enhances natural shine. But yeah, such a small sample for long hair.
Okay, and then I have Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara.
I wonder how that one is.
I know, it's worth a try.
It says, your lashes #1 fan. This lengthening mascara delivers lift and volume that lasts for up to 12 hours.
I'll try that if I can.
Cool.
And then I have Dr. Brand's, is it Pores No More? No, Needles No More. What does it stand? Pores No More. Needles No More, no more baggage.
I have the full size of that, but I don't know, it scares me kind of when I use it.
Scary.
It says, stays so long to dark circles and hello to a brighter, more well-rested look. This advanced gel visibly tightens and smooths delicate under eye skin. If I'm right, it doesn't moisturize at all, so you have to make sure you're wearing a moisturizer. And mine goes on like an orangey. It's kind of like orange, but it just, I don't know, sometimes it's like too dry. It doesn't want to move at all, and I'm like, okay, sure, just stuck to my skin and I don't know. So that's how I feel about that product.
Okay.
But
And then
I like
Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. Time release hydro patches, moisturizes and nourishes. That's good.
It says this lightweight gel cream is a moisture magnet, delivers intense hydration for up to 24 hours, and contains ingredients to soothe dry skin. And I know I have 1 or 2 of those, so we've gotten those before.
And then the last thing is
Ouai's
Body Cream.
And it says, talk about the creme de la creme. This whipped body moisturizer quickly absorbs without leaving any greasy residue and delivers soft, hydrated skin. So cool. I think overall good, but as I said, 1, 2, 3 for sure I've gotten or still have in my little medicine cabinet. So, but so yeah, whatever goes in the giveaway, we'll try to sterilize first if anything's gonna go.
I have Lysol, so I can
I'll sterilize it since I'm the one who's not
spray
sick.
the whole batch off.
But if this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. I'm not sure the price of the box. I think it's still around 12, right, Kim? The tax and everything.
I think so.
Yeah. Okay, and we appreciate you guys watching. And we're going to do a giveaway video sometime either at New Year's or after New Year's. We'll do another giveaway video, so stay tuned for that. And stay subscribed. We'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.